Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is the 7th of November and we've got blue skies in Kessingland on this Tuesday. It's going to be a manic day today. So this Woodland Hawk is due to be picked up. This is our competition winner. This is our competition winner who bike is due a service. They want a service and some accessories and a discount card. Don't forget to enter our competition next year. This one was donated first thing this morning. I think I've already got an idea what we're going to do with that. And then I've got absolutely tons and tons of work to do. So I don't often show people in the store cupboard. So we'll just wait for the light to come on. There we go. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bikes that need doing today. So I need to clear the workshop of these hundreds of inner tubes, and then I can crack on with the jobs in hand. So that's my plan for today, is just busy, repairing bikes for customers, try and get as much done as I can this morning, so this afternoon isn't too dramatic. So that's my plan. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. I'm gonna crack on with the jobs that I've got to do. It feels like hundreds, I don't know why, but I'm gonna crack on with that. So my first job of the day is this Cube SL Road. Customer loves the bike, but apparently it's never been set up properly, so we're doing a full silver service on it. So we're going to check everything, make sure everything's working as it should. We're going to just try and get it so that it's working as it did when it came out of the shop, or how it should have before it came out of the shop. But I'm really looking forward to doing this one because these are nice bikes to work on. It's got hydraulic discs. We just need to stop it. Apparently it's making a horrible grinding noise, so we need to remedy that as quick as possible. So that's my next job. Let's get into it. Okay, I think it's time just to take this for a quick test ride, see if it's still being noisy, and see if there's anything else that could be causing that horrible noise. So that's my next job. I've just taken this one for its test ride and it is working perfectly. What happened is in the this wasn't very well aligned. So what it was doing is it was rubbing on every gear, and that's what was making the noise. I've just ridden it and it rides really quiet. I'd be very happy to have this as my bike now. So we just aligned the derailleur up and then give everything a service. So we've lubricated, we've inflated the tyres, which I've just done, checked the brakes, set those up, checked the gears, set those up, checked the bearings. There's a little bit of play in the pedals, but nothing that's the end of the world. So this one's done. That's a lovely bike. If you're thinking about getting a bike, Cube are a terrifically well spec'd bike. I've not had one yet that I've not been impressed with, if I'm honest. So on to the next one. So this is the next job. This is a Cinelli Tito that's been converted to a single speed. Originally, I think he had it as a fixed wheel, but he wanted to put brakes on it because he wants to use it. I love Cinellis. These are lovely, and it's got the same grips as on my bike. So fair play for that. So what I've got to do is I've got to fit some black alloy V-brakes if I can find him a pair. So that's my task for the day. or for the day, for the next job, is to fit the outers and everything that needs to be fitted to this beautiful Cinelli Tito. That's got Cinelli stem and saddle as well. It's lovely. It's really lovely. Right, let's get into it. So this Cinelli is now done. New brakes, front and rear. I think customer will be very happy with this. So on to the next one. So my next job of the day is this frog bike that has got a flat tyre and the brakes are binding apparently, so we need to get that sorted out. So that is my next job for the day, is to crack on with that. Okay, so on this one I've set up the front brake because it was out of balance, and I've also replaced the tube on the back wheel of this frog bike. So customer should be happy. They booked this online. You can book all your services online. www.cyclerecycleuk.com. For me, that's the easiest way because you jump the queue. If you book that slot, that's when we'll try and do your bike for you. If you just walk in, then you're going to be at the back of the queue. So book your services online as quick as possible, or as soon as you know you want them done, and then you get to select the time that your bike gets done. That's the trick. Right, on to the next one. Actually, no, let's put the kettle on and have a cup of coffee. So I just built this Rally Pioneer Classic with 10 gears, 700C alloy wheels, mud guards, rack, stand, gel seat, made by Rally, what's not to like. So that one will be going on the website in the next couple of days. Just needs to go outside and be pressure washed, ready for its final polish. It's a really nice bike, really nice bike. So if you're interested in that one, keep your eyes peeled on the website. So my next job for the rest of the day is to process. It's difficult to show you because this is on auto, but I don't know if you can see, I need to get through some of these get through some of these inner tubes because they're taking up a ton of space. So I'll stick it on time lapse and you can watch me process those. So that's half of the inner tubes done from the other day. So we have got 4 26s, 5 24s, 2 16s and 3 700s, and they will go and live. And I can move this beast. They live in here in our upcycled tube section. And then we use them when we build bikes, and people can buy them for £3 each. As you can see, we've got a relatively good selection. So the rest of the day is going to be tidying the shop up because it was havoc this morning. We had so many bikes come in, so many jobs to do, and it got a bit intense in here and it didn't stay as tidy as I would like it to. So I'm going to tidy that workshop up. That's my main priority for the rest of the day. Tidy up my work area and sort out some bikes ready for tomorrow, so that I can have a productive day like I have today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content. We'd love to see comments. If there's anything you'd like to see us, what we do and we're not showing it, please tell us. If you've got any questions, we're happy to answer them. So please like and subscribe, and if you could share the channel with your friends, that would be amazing, because our followers, or our subscribers, are going up and up each day, and it's amazing. Have an amazing evening, and we'll be back tomorrow.